Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to our online session. So today we'll start a new chapter number 3 of your NCERT textbook, playing with numbers. Okay. So first we'll see, for example, you have a number 8. Okay. So I can get 8 as 1 into 2 will be 8, 1 into 8 will be 8. 2 into 4 will be 8. Got it? Agreed? Hope you know this. So, I can say 1, 2, 4, 8. All these are factors of 8. Let's take another number. 6. 6 can be written as 1 into 6. Or it can be written as 2 into 3. You can write it any way. Okay? So, if I have a number A, which can be written as the product of any two numbers B and C, then we say that this B and C, they are the factors. They are the factors. So if B and C are the factors, if I multiply B and C, I get A. It means A will be the multiple. ठीक है. Now factor means एक ऐसा नंबर जो दिए गए नंबर को पूरी तरह डिवाइड करे. जैसे 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. So if I divide 8 by 2, it goes 4 times. Remainder is 0. So you can call a number as factor if it is completely dividing the given number. Completely dividing means the remainder should be 0. So for every multiple, you can have factors. Now, for some numbers, you may have more than 2 factors. For some, you do not have. Okay? That we'll study later. Such numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, how many factors, what is it, how to get them. Okay? That we'll discuss later. So today you have to understand B and C are the factors because B completely divides A. If I divide A by B, I get remainder 0. Or if I divide A by C, I get the remainder 0. So B and C completely divide A. So B and C are called factors of A. So if B and C are called factors of A, then A is called multiple. So A is a multiple of B and A is a multiple of C as well. Okay? Because B and C both are factors of A. Right? So, let's see. If you have any number, take any number. Suppose I take 5. I can write 5 as 5 into 1. If I take say 9, I can write it as 9 into 1. Got it? I can write it. Suppose I take number 10, I can write it as 10 into 1. So we know that 1 is a factor of every number. And one more thing, every number is a factor of itself. Got it? So 1 is a factor of every number is a factor of itself. We can see that any number can be written in this form. कोई भी number हो. For any number A, you can write it as 1 into A. कोई भी number ले लो आप. Suppose you take 12, you can write it as 12 into 1. So every number is a factor of itself and 1 is a factor of every number. Okay? Got it? In the same way, you can say every number is a multiple of itself. And every number is a multiple of 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a factor of itself. So vice versa will be true. Every number is a multiple of itself. Got it? So 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Right? So these are certain properties about the factors and multiples. Right, children? So you can say 1 is a factor of every number. Second, every number is a multiple of 1. Third, every number is a factor of itself, and also we can say every number is a multiple of itself. So you can note these 4 points. There are many properties which we will gradually discuss as we move on in the chapter. So 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a factor of itself, and every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, children? So let's take one more interesting fact or interesting property of the number, as the chapter itself says, playing with numbers. See, children, let us consider a number 12. How can I write this 12? It can be written as 1 into 12. It can be written as 2 into 6. It can be written as 3 into 4. There is no other way that I can write 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Let us see what is their sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. How much do I get? 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Plus 3, 25. Plus 2, 27. Plus 1, 28. Is there any relationship between 28 and 12? No, we do not find any relationship between 12 and 28. We do not find any relationship. Okay, let's consider one more example. I'll take number 6. So 6 can be written as 1 into 6. Also I can write it as 2 into 3. There is no other way to write 6. Okay, so factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Let us take their sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Now what is the relationship between 6 and 12? 12 is twice. 12 is double of 6. I can say that. So there is a relationship. That relationship was not here for 12 and 28. But that relationship is there. The sum of all the factors of 6 is twice the number 6. But the sum of all the factors of 12 is not equal to double the number 12. It's not happening. So it means this does not happen with every number. This does not happen with every number. सभी numbers के साथ ऐसे नहीं होता. 6 के सभी factors का sum कितना आ रहा है? 12. 12 क्या है? 6 का double. जबकि 12 के सारे factors का sum हमने देखा कितना आ रहा है? 28. ये 12 का double नहीं है. इसका मतलब हर नंबर में ऐसा नहीं होता. Let's take one more example. एक और example देखते हैं. Let us consider a number 28. I can write it as 1 into 28, or I can write it as 2 into 14, or I can write it as 4 into 7, right? Is there any other way that we can write 28? There is no other way, right? So let us see all the factors. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Let us see their sum. 28 plus 14 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 3, 7, 14, 18, 26. Carry 2, 4, 5. 56. 56 is double of 28. 56 28 का डबल है, राइट? सो 28 के साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं कौन से नंबर्स के साथ होता है. तो ये दिस इज ए प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मल्टीपल. इफ दिस इज ए प्रॉपर्टी, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड 4, दिस इज फिफ्थ वन. If the sum of all the factors of a number is twice the number, then that number is called a perfect number. That number is called a perfect number. Okay children, so these are 5 properties that we have discussed today. कल और डिस्कस करेंगे. एक एक्टिविटी मैं आपको देता हूं आज. आप लोग 1 से लेके 100 तक जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उन सब के अंदर आप पता करो कि परफेक्ट नंबर्स कौन से हैं. ठीक है ना, ये आपकी एक्टिविटी है. आप लोग पता करें. आज ही करें ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. आज और कल 2 दिन में आराम से आप लोग मालूम करना कि 1 से लेके 100 तक, 1 से लेके 100 तक, दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. इसको अपना होमवर्क समझ लो. होमवर्क क्या है आपका? फाइंड all the perfect numbers from 1 to 100. देखते आप लोग का अच्छा टाइम पास हो जाएगा आज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वी शैल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी. ओके, बाय.